Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. So this is third lecture of Quadrilateral, which is 8th chapter of class 9th mathematics. So we will proceed with our question. First question is, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Okay, so हमें ये given है ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD are equal and bisect each other, right? So हमें क्या क्या given है? Firstly, AC equals to BD. Secondly, these sides are equals to each other. That is, OB equals to OD and OA equals to OC. Okay, and we have to prove. Also, it is given this angle is 90 degrees. The diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So these all angles are 90 degrees. And we have to prove that ABCD is a square. So how we will prove is, we will consider two triangles, that is AOB, okay, and second is COD. This. So हमें क्या क्या given है? That diagonals bisect each other, right? It is given to us diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this side is equals to this side is equals to this, and this is equals to this, as vertically opposite angles are equal. So AOB is congruent to COD by side angle side congruency. So by CPCT we proved AB equals to CD. Also, what we can do is, since हमने इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove कर दिया है, तो we can say angle OAB equals to OCD, right? So here alternate interior angles are equal, that is, it is a transversal. So we can prove that we can say AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles congruent, that is, what we can do is, we can AOD और BOC इनको भी congruent prove कर सकते हैं same way में, like this side is OB equals to CD, OC equals to OA, and this is vertically opposite angles. So these two triangles are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent. So what we can do is, we can say that this angle is equals to this, that is, alternate interior angles are equal by CPCT. So we can say that AD is parallel to BC. Now we will move to next part. So हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया AB equals to AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD and AB equals to CD. Now हम आगे क्या करेंगे, हम फिर से ट्रायंगल AOD को लेंगे, AOD and COD. अब इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. So since diagonals bisect each other, so this side is equals to OA equals to OC. Also, since diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, so AOD, this angle, is equals to COD 90 degree, and OD is our common side. So side angle side congruency से we can say AOD is congruent to triangle COD. So by CPCT we can say AD is equals to CD. Also AD equals to BC, right? And AD equals to CD. So this implies AD equals to BC equals to CD equals to AB. And also by CPCT we can say ADC, that is ADC, this angle is equals to this angle, right? So after we prove that ADC equals to BCD, then we also have proved that AD is parallel to BC. So we know that if these two lines, AD is parallel to BC and this is a transversal, then sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. Since we have proved that ADC is equals to BCD, so we can write here ADC plus BCD is 180 degree, and we can replace BCD by ADC. So 2 times ADC equals to 180 degrees, so ADC is equals to 90 degrees. So one of the interior angles of this quadrilateral is right angle, hence we can prove that ABCD is a square. Now we will move to next question. हमें क्या given है that diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABC bisect A, then we have to show that it bisects C also and ABCD is a rhombus. हमें given ये है कि AC, this line bisect angle A, that is this angle is equals to this angle, and we have to show that this AC also bisects C, so that this angle is equals to this. And secondly, we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. So firstly, we will consider two triangles, that is triangle ABC and CBA. So this triangle and this triangle CBA, we will consider these two triangles and we will prove them as a congruent triangle. So AD is equals to BC since opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Similarly, AB equals to CD as opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and this is our AC is our common side. So by SSS congruency, side congruency, ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. Now by CBCT we can say ACD, this angle is equals to CAB, and CAB CAB, this angle is equals to BCA. So ACD हमने क्या प्रूव किया CPCT से that ACD, this angle is equals to CAB, this angle, and हमें क्या given है that CAB, this angle is equals to CAB. So we from 1 and 2, like from this equation and this equation, ACB equals to BCA, right? So this implies that AC bisect angle C. So we have proved that AC bisect angle C. And secondly, we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. So opposite sides of a equal angles of a triangle are equal. So क्योंकि हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया that AC bisects C, so we can say that these all three angles are equal, right? So if this angle, that is this angle is equals to this, then this implies AD is equals to CD. Also, AB equals to BC, which is equals to CD equals to DA, as opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So हमने यहाँ से ये प्रूफ किया AD equals to CD, and क्योंकि पैरेललोग्राम है तो इससे ये प्रूफ होता है AD equals to BC. तो अगर यहाँ पे क्या होता है, I'll explain you once again. हमने ये प्रूफ किया this side is equals to this, and हमें पहले से ये बनता है that this side is equals to this, so and this side CD is equals to AB. So अगर ये तीनों sides आपस में इक्वल हो जाता है, AD equals to CD हमने इक्वल प्रूफ कर दिया, and AD is equals to BC already. So from all these equations we can prove AD equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. So now we will move to next question, which says that ABCD is a rhombus. Show the diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So हम क्या करेंगे, since हमें क्या given है ABCD is a rhombus, so AB is equals to CD, and angle, if you consider this triangle ACD, अगर दो sides equal है तो there is two angles, that is angle DAC equals to DCA, right? क्योंकि angles opposite two equal sides of a triangle are equal. Also, since it is a rhombus, so AB is parallel to CD. So this implies alternate interior angles are equal. So that implies that DAC, that is DAC, this angle is equals to BCA. This angle, alternate interior angles are equal, and हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है that DAC equals to DCA and DAC equals to BCA. From these two equations, we get DCA equals to BCA, which implies AC bisect angle C. Similarly, we can prove all the three parts, that how AC bisect A as well as C and BD bisect B as well as D. We have to repeat the same procedure only. So student, this is all about today class. If you want to download the notes of this section, this lecture, you can find the link in the description box. Also, you can download the STUDIFY Success app. Thank you.